Who could that be?
I don't know.
Dude, that one was open.
Do you think that they saw us?
Hopefully not. You know what to do.
Right. Okay. Should we open the door?
We need to see who it is.
Look through the window.
You didn't say.
Look through the window!
Okay.
How'd you fall?
I got scared. Stranger!
Abort mission! Abort mission now!
Okay, maybe we should just do what we did other times.
Hello! Who are you? You're not supposed to knock right there! Didn't you see the sign? Huh? As you were walking? Or did you just not look, huh?
Hey!
We're not home. Didn't you get the memo? No, maybe not. Oh, why won't they just go away already?
I have an idea.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna do Plan G.
What the heck is Plan G?
Plan G.
Oh, okay, I got you. I'm good.
What the heck? Who was that? What could be in there?
I don't know. You know what to do.
Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed that video,
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
and remember we make videos each Saturday, and whenever we can.
And